I think lawn mowing is a work of art. It's a sophisticated process that really does take years to master. I've been cutting people's grass for 6 or so years now, and I think I've come to appreciate the delicacy behind a process that is often portrayed as dull or blunt. Over the years, I've discovered much joy in maintaining the aesthetics of people's lawns by cutting their grass for them. Also, lawn mowing has substantially financed my future by always providing me with a consistent source of income. Overall, I'm just glad I could be involved in the lawn care business and for the way that it has truly changed my life.